Sam here with the MarineMax Coco, and today we're going to take a look at the Boston Whaler 210 Montauk. This is a 2024 model. As you can see, it's the glacier green hull color, the white rub row with the stainless steel insert, sitting perfectly on a tandem axle galvanized trailer, and you do have a spare tire up here. On the back, you can see we have a white 200 Mercury V6 4-stroke, quiet, fuel efficient. You can see we have the teak package back here on the swim step, and then you will see it at the sides and at the helm. Let's take a look inside. Back here in the aft of the 210 Montauk, you can see we have a nice casting platform back here, and then stowed away are 2 jump seats with cup holders, and then you have rod holders in the back. Nice fishing spot. Right here, easy access to our live well while we are fishing back here. You can see rod holders here and then rocket launchers up top on the hard top. At the helm, nice flip up bolster, comfortable seat. I like to stand here. You have Simrad MFD, Mercury gauges, switches, your JL audio head unit, trim tab controls, and then your Simrad VHF. Forward, we have a nice comfortable seat here that doubles as a cooler. A lounge area here with 2 backrests that are removable that double with the rod holders. Under the front one, you have anchor storage, and then a nice fish box under this one. All insulated, keeps ice very, very well. Inside the console, we have table storage and a pump out head. That wraps up this 2024 Boston Whaler 210 Montauk walkthrough. This boat is available here at MarineMax Coco. Come check it out or give us a shout at 321-636-3142. Thank you.